Court calls the case People versus Tony Bailey. 2 cases.
Alexander on behalf of the people.
And good morning, Your Honor. Gina Noveski, First Assistant Public Defender, with and on behalf of Mr. Bailey, who is present from the jail.
Good morning.
Bailey, state your name.
Tony Warren Bailey. Good morning, Judge Shelton.
Hey, well, that's okay. That's close. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Today is my
Good
daughter's
morning.
birthday. She's turned 32 today. Good morning.
All right.
Remember
Good
these piranhas, Your Honor? I brought you a picture of
them. No, I don't, but they look familiar. They look like the other piranhas I'm used to seeing.
Yeah, there's 7 of them that's floating in the tank right now that I got to go home and bury.
Okay. All right. Well, let's
Can I say
see what
one
we can
more,
do.
can I say one more thing, Judge Shelton?
I haven't been able to stop you yet. Go ahead.
Well, I've been here 90 days, Your Honor, and I completed all those other cases. I got them all squashed. Like I say, today is her birthday, and I did add a couple more things to your hot rod if you'd like to see it. The car I drew you last time, there's no bullets on it.
Okay. Okay, well, first of all, let's find out what we're doing on your case. Mr.
Okay,
Noveski.
thank you. Thank you.
Your Honor,
How you doing?
hi, Mr. Bailey. Your Honor, I think what we need to do is set his matters for a preliminary exam.
All right. Then here's what I'll do. Preliminary examination will be set in person September 5th on both cases, 2023, 9 a.m. before Judge Washington. This is an old one.
Your Honor, Mr. Bailey is hoping that I address bond.
Go for it.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. Mr. Bailey has been in for 90 days, Judge. I'm sure the court's aware that there was a referral previously, but he is asking that you would allow him to be released on a personal bond at this time, especially given the amount of time he's been in. As he indicated, today is his daughter's birthday. He would very much like to be out so that he can be with his family. Unfortunately, I believe his Social Security was terminated given the amount of time that he has spent in custody. So he's going to need to get that taken care of once he is out, and perhaps, we'll be able to provide him some assistance with that through our social work department. The court's already heard that he does have his piranhas at home that need to be addressed, as well as other matters in his home regarding his utilities. So he would very much ask you to allow him to be released.
Any response?
Your Honor, at this time, we would ask that his bond remain the same until his preliminary exam. Just given the nature of this case and how it's been going, we would just ask that the bond remain the same.
I don't see how that's possible when I've been here 90 days. All my cases are.
How's his is he in touch with CMH at all?
Yes, I am.
Okay, hold on, sir.
He's
Mr. Besky,
indicating
do you
yes,
know?
Judge. I just from what he just indicated, Judge.
Okay, here's what I'm gonna do at this juncture. I'll allow it to be brought up certainly before Judge Washington at the preliminary examination, but I'm not gonna change the bond at this time until information is provided regarding his contact with CMH. So at this time, bond will continue. Motion for bond reduction at this time is denied. But you can bring it up certainly before Judge Washington. Thank you.
Your Honor, he's hoping to show you his picture today.
Okay, what picture, sir?
So your Honor, so you saying that I can't be released on tether or anything?
No, what I am indicating is
I don't
that-
understand this. I mean.
Okay,
I've been
just
here-
listen.
I don't,
Just
I
listen.
don't, I'm, okay, I'm listening, Your Honor. I've been here 90 days, all my cases.
No, I know. I
I
know.
could-
And what I'm trying to, you got to listen to me. If you're not going to listen to me, I'm done.
Okay, I'm gonna listen.
What I'm indicating is I'm not opposed to releasing you. It's just I need more information about your contact and connection with community mental health.
Mental health.
And that can either be brought to me or it can be brought to Judge Washington for our consideration.
I am confused right now. I only see mental health people here in the jailhouse. They bring me pictures of art. That's it. I don't have a connection in here. Can I explain it? I don't see mental health. I have been cleared through mental health department that I am eligible to stand trial. I don't understand this part about me being slow or anything, or being retarded or anything. I don't have that problem.
Sir, that's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is I need more information before I'm going to reduce your bond. That's the bottom line.
Mental health department through the jail? Is that what you're saying?
I've indicated it to your attorney. They'll work with you. I think they understand what I'm looking for. And so they'll talk to you about that. Okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Your Honor.
Good
Ron,
morning, Your Honor. Amy Reiser on behalf of the people.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of the defendant in both matters, Your Honor.
All right, very good. All right. And what are we doing on these?
I'm requesting adjournment, Your Honor, both cases.
She's not here. She is not here. Lolitha Collins?
Your Honor, I talked to her twice yesterday and Monday, where I've been in constant contact with her.
We'd ask for a bench warrant, Your Honor.
Your Honor, I'm asking not for a bench warrant. I mean, I've been in contact with her.
Well, why isn't she here?
I know she works. She works and she's in school, Your Honor.
Bench warrants will issue in both matters. So if we set it 10,000 cash surety, I won't, what I'll do, give it, well, I got a child abuse third, so, and these warrants will issue immediately. I was gonna delay them, but I'm not going to in these cases. Thank you.
Thank you.
Case, People versus Shauna Webb.
Nimish Ganatra for the people.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Raymond Burkett on behalf of Ms. Webb.
Ms. Webb, can you please?
Hi, Miss Webb here.
Okay, what are we doing?
Your Honor, Ms. Webb understands that she has a statutory right to have a preliminary examination. I've discussed this with Mr. Ganatra yesterday, and we asking this honorable court to allow her to waive her preliminary examination with the understanding that she's going to be bound over to the circuit court.
That one. Yeah, there's an active bench warrant. You understand your client has a bench warrant for failure to report or
Yes,
to
I
test
do,
at
Your
community
Honor.
corrections?
I do, Your Honor. Mr. Ganatra called me last night and sent a copy over to that there was a bench warrant. However, Your Honor, then I emailed this honorable court as well as Mr. Ganatra that shows that she had the case. Beg your pardon?
Yeah, that she's been testing elsewhere.
Yes, Your Honor. And on the dates that she missed here, she had tested at the other place. And I'd ask you to dismiss the warrant. Also, she can't afford to be paying both of these people what she's doing to allow her to continue to the testing.
Cancel the bench warrant. Defendant has to arrange to have test results sent to community corrections.
Not a problem.
Ma'am, Ms. Webb,
Yes, I'm sorry.
you understand that you're waiving your right to a preliminary examination?
I don't understand what that means exactly.
Okay, a
That's
preliminary
what we discussed.
examination is a proceeding where the people would have to show by a standard of probable cause that the offenses alleged were committed and that you committed them. You understand that?
So does
All
that
right.
mean I'm
You
pleading
would
guilty?
be entitled to have a hearing to show that there's probable cause that you should stand trial on these offenses. You understand that, ma'am?
Yes, I understand what that means now.
Okay. And you understand that at that hearing, the people would have to show by what the standard, the low standard of probable cause, that two things. First, that the offenses were committed and that you committed them. You understand that that's what will be happening at that hearing?
Yes,
Okay.
but I don't
Your
agree.
counsel has indicated that you're waiving that hearing. And so you'll not have that hearing and that you'll proceed to circuit court to further resolve this case. You understand that, ma'am? That's what your attorney has said to us.
So I'm taking it to trial.
Well, you're going to circuit court to try to resolve the matter.
Okay.
You understand that?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Ms. Webb?
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm just overwhelmed.
All right. Ms. Webb, is that what you want to do? Or you want me to adjourn it out so you can talk with your attorney a little bit more about what you should do?
I need to talk to him.
Okay, here's what I'm going to do, Ms. Webb. All right. I'm going to adjourn the probable cause hearing. I'll adjourn it to after the holiday. So we'll do September 7th, 2023 at 9. All right. I've canceled your bench warrant, arranged for the place that you're taking tests to send the results to community corrections. And then in all other aspects, your bond will continue
Okay, thank
at
you.
a 10,000 personal recognizance bond. All right, with the previous conditions. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Court does call the case of the people versus Alante Lovely.
Maria Wasinski on behalf of the people.
Really? Joy?
I'm failing at technology today. All day long. All right. Joy Gaines, Senior Assistant Public Defender, representing Miss Lovely. Miss Lovely, would you please state your name for the record?
Alante Lovely.
Okay. All right. What are we going to do on this today?
Your Honor, we've had an opportunity to speak with the prosecutor, and we all exchanged exhibits and information today. We're asking for two things. One is for the bond violation hearing to be set over till next week with Miss Lovely's hearing. The second is for her to be able to be released today. I don't believe there is an objection to either of those requests.
Is that correct on the people's part?
Yes, Your Honor.
What I'm going to do is I'll continue to preliminary examination before me on August 29, 2023 at 9 a.m. Bond violation hearing or hearing on the bond will occur at that same time on August 29 or during that proceeding. With reference to bond, Miss Lovely?
Yes, Your Honor.
So that you understand how I work. I tell people things, I tell them how I need them to conduct themselves, and then when it looks like they don't, they end up getting themselves in trouble. All right. And I think that's what, and I'm not making a finding, but I think that's what occurred in this case. And I'm just going to give you this admonishment. I'm going to give you a PR bond. I hope you've learned something from this. And I'm gonna give you a PR bond. I'm gonna let you out. I'm just going to let you know. I want no posting, commenting on social media regarding the case. Any social media that you are aware of that's up there, I think we've figured that part out, needs to be removed. And that includes anything having to do with the child, directly or indirect. So if you feel a necessity to post something and you're not sure, just don't do it. Understood?
I understand.
All right. I will grant the defendant then a personal recognizance bond at this time, or reinstate her previous bond.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
And that previous bond is with the conditions I had imposed. All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Is that it for us, Ms. Widley? All right, guys. Thank you, Ms. Willingbrink. Always a pleasure to see you.
You too, Your Honor. I think that's the first thing I
All
said
right.
today. So.
You guys have a great weekend. Allie and Marie. That you guys, hold on. I just gotta know. Jack, take care of yourself, buddy. Are you guys like gonna stay around like forever?
I'm staying through the fall.
You're staying through the fall?
Yeah.
I am as well.
Hi. What?
I am as well.
Oh, so both of you will be here through the fall?
Yeah.
Oh, sweet. Okay. So I was like anticipating that time where you guys were gonna like, because Kirby never tells me anything, right? So like you guys were gonna say, it's my last day, see you, Your Honor, and then, get real sad. So I don't have to worry about that for right now. Great. Okay, you guys have a wonderful weekend.
You too,
You
Your
too, Your
Honor.
Honor. Thank you.